Welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today, this is all about reviewing the Badass Rude Girl eyeshadow palette. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, this is all about Rude Cosmetics out of California. I learned about them at IMAX in Los Angeles, actually Pasadena, and I am going to do a review. I have yet to use this. This is so cute. They make them like little books, and they come in these little folders. This one has 35 eyeshadow palettes, and this is considered book 6. I highly recommend you check out their website, Rude Cosmetics. This is not a sponsored video. I bought it because I loved it. I thought it was so cute. I ordered it online. Adorable. Adorable. Okay, so I've done my face. I'm going to do this. They have some beautiful shades. Let me open it up. This is so adorable. It is so cute. This little comic strip. Okay, look at these gorgeous colors. I kid you not, this couldn't have been no more than $15. Trust and believe. I was like, I'll take it. I'll take 2. Okay. So let me see. I have nothing really planned out what look I want, but I'm kind of orangey today, so I'm thinking I'm going to go with that. Full disclosure, most of the brushes I use are Morphe, so I don't really go through every brush, but 99% are all Morphe brushes. Okay, let me see here. What am I going to do? It's such beautiful colors. All right, I guess we're going to do orange today. Okay, so I'm going in with the transition color and with these shades. You know what? Let me see. 1 second here. With these shades, unfortunately, they do not have their names on the front. Nope, nor the back. So I'm not going to worry about it. Okay, so I'm just going in. It's sort of a beigey, a deep mauve color. Actually, it's not mauve. It's more a taupe, like a deep taupe color in my transition color right here. Goes on well. There is a bit of fallout, not overly bad. I'm not that opposed to fallout. It's not going to kill me. So, okay, I want to layer this. Let me look and get this. But I like it. It goes on well. For $15, I kid you not, it must have been 50. It was less than 20. Because you guys know I'm cheap. I don't be paying too much for products. Yeah. Okay, it's layering nicely. I went in with 2 layers of each color. And I do like to just dust up a little bit. Okay. Not that it was that much fallout, trust and believe. Okay. I'm trying to think. I'm cleaning my brush off as I go. This is a pale orange color that I'm using here. Switching brushes, going in with a little more of an orange. Oh yeah, nice. I kid you not, I have probably, I'm not going to say all of their palettes, but at least 6. And they are so good. And during this series of me reviewing eyeshadow palettes in my collection, I'm realizing, oh right, I have this. Why am I not using it? I don't even know. Kind of crazy. Like I said, I just get stuck on a few that I have right on my beauty bar. And so now what I'm doing on my beauty bar, I actually switch out every month all of the shadows, all of my highlighters, everything. I'm going in with the second layer. of this beautiful burnt orange. Well, it's more like a, I don't know if it's burnt, because the next one I think is going to be more burnt. But this is just a pale orange. As you can see, it's layering quite nicely. Okay, now this looks almost red, but I'm hoping it's going to give me orange. Yeah, it did. And I'll point out the colors that I used at the end of the video. Once again, this is the Badass Rude Girl from Rude Cosmetics. Oh, that looks nice. Wow. Okay. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Blending in a little bit, taking a bigger brush to smooth things out. Okay, let me see. Just doing my outer corners here with the shade I've used before. Wow, this is orange. I guess I said I wanted orange, and it is giving me orange. Okay, blend that out a little bit. Wow. Okay, I like it. Okay. So I'm liking this look. I don't need a whole lot more. It's really blending well. And I'm going to go in and do my lower lash line. And I'm just using the same colors that I used on top, just to kind of keep it consistent. Oh, this is looking beautiful. Just beautiful. I love it. I'm going in with a darker orange. Which you can clearly see it is orange. Okay. Okay, so now right under my brow. I like this. I like it a lot. Okay. Like I said, there is a bit of fallout. So I'm making sure I tap my brush before I apply. But the pigmentation is fabulous and it's adhering well to my eyelid. Blend that a little bit. Okay. This is a Sephora brush. Just for all out disclaimer. Okay, so what I'm going to do my liner, lashes, mascara off camera and come back with the final look. All right, but I like it. I really do. I think the orange is great. I'm all orangey today. So, all right now, I'm liking it. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, well, I'm back for the final look, and I am truly impressed with this palette. Try and zoom in a little bit so you guys can see how beautiful and effortless this is laying on my eyelid. Oh my God. So I went in, I did my mascara, liner, and lashes. And I ended up going with a little bit of green from the palette, like a military green underneath. I thought that would kind of set it off from the orange. And it did. I love it. So this is the palette. It's by Rude Cosmetics, the Badass Rude Girl, 35 shades for basically like $15. It was so wonderful. I used a lot of the orange colors right here. This one I used, this one I used, this one I used. I used this on my upper lid here. And the green, oh my God, where's the green? Here's the green right here. Just gorgeous. I can't even begin to describe how beautiful this palette was, and I definitely give it a 5-star. I was amazed. Had a little bit of fallout, but really nothing overly. I love this whole comic strip book thing, and the Badass Rude Girl special edition, 35 shades. Hello. Let me know what you think. You guys should really try out Rude Cosmetics. They are on fire. I kid you not, and they are unbelievably reasonably priced. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to click the JB and subscribe to this happy little family. Click the bell so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Check out Jacqueline's Beauty blog, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.